Good day everyone, Gerald here again from Studio Ploy. Few days ago, not from today, but before the 15th of September, I got an unexpected invite from Ikea for the opening of their Ikea Christmas shop here in the Philippines. It's going to be their first because last year they weren't able to launch since they opened sometime around November. We have the longest Christmas celebration here that begins September 1, which marks the start of the bear months. So November would be very late for a launch. I moved few of my schedules for this event kasi excited ako basta Christmas ang pag-uusapan. It's my favorite time of the year and actually my birthday falls under the month of December. Anyway, this is my first time doing this kind of video, so medyo pagpasensya nyo muna at magulo pa. And going back, the invite was at 9:30 a.m. so I make sure to left early at around 8:30 a.m. And I film a couple of shots, yung pabukas kotse shots kanina. Unfortunately, na-traffic ako so I got late and came in 5 minutes before 10. I texted Miss Talia from Ikea na I'll just go on with my furniture shopping but she told me to drop by still. So, the event starts with the breakfast at the Swedish restaurant. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi di nga dapat ako tutuloy na. But, lo and behold, I accidentally pressed the video on. By the way, I apologize for this shot. Kusang nag-film ang phone ko while I was taking food and coffee for breakfast. It's going to be my first time to attend an event like this, so I really don't know what to expect and I really don't know anyone. I first approached Miss Jade from CNN and slowly felt comfortable na. After a few minutes of chatting and eating, we were then advised na to go to the third floor at the self-serve area for the main event. Kahit medyo nahihiya kasi most of them are from mainstream media, I was able to approach some of them naman since they were very friendly. This time, we were walking our way to the self-serve area. Ayan, ang lakas ng tawa ni Koya. The Christmas shop at Ikea is located right at the entrance to the self-serve area on the third floor. Here, everyone now starts taking photos and videos. Then, kanya-kanya na kami. Bumped into Chelsea, which is also an influencer. Nakiki-influencer na din ako. Asked to film some shot, kaya ito nakikigaya rin ako. Hello! Chelsea, my newfound friend. Friend na kagad, no?
Buti na lang, kami yung mga wala kasama kanina. Pero ngayon,
kasi puro taga-CN.
ito mga ano to eh. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko alam kung bagets pa kami. Ako forgets na ng konti.
Ayun. Hello.
Hello.
So yun, this is the Christmas selection sa
IKEA.
Tingnan niyo yung wrappers, as in super aesthetic.
Yes, ang gaganda,
If
grabe.
ayaw niyo parang, isa kasi diba gusto earthy tones, ayaw ng red.
Yes.
This is perfect. Ang ganda ng color niya, green and brown.
Lalo ako mahilig din ako sa mga neutral na colors para mas madaling bagayan.
Oo, pag Christmas, hindi ako bumibili ng wrappers. Lagi ako yung parang craft paper na cartolina. Tapos gumagawa ng yung twine.
Alam mo minsan nga cover lang yung landmark na paper bag. Ginagawa ko yun.
Oh, kasi yung color.
Yung color, binabaliktad lang.
Ayan, kaya ito maganda. Tapos ang ganda pa ng food niya, white.
Yes, ay, ikot tayong konti.
Ay, so this is it.
Ayan.
So yun.
Ayun, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Hi, Miss Jade from CNN. Andito kami ngayon sa IKEA Christmas shop.
Yes.
Asa na si Miss Ruth?
Somewhere out there.
Ayun si Miss Ruth. Ay, si Miss Ruth ba yun? Ayun. Dito tayo. Ang dami ko na nakikilala dito. Ito mabait nila. Miss Ruth. Sali kita. Hi! From? Philippines. Yeah. What's that?
Christmas tree.
Tapos nalagay mo siya nung...
Nalagyan ko siya nito. Yan.
Diba? Ang nice.
Yung alternate ko to.
Yan. Tabletop.
Yes, for our table. For our dining tables.
So nice.
Suggestion niya.
Ayan. Ang dami na nila na pamili.
Oo nga eh. Early Christmas shopping.
Ayan. Bye-bye!
Bye!
After galit-galit na ulit kami at kanya-kanya na ng hanap at kuha ng videos, ang naisip ko na lang, since ang alam ko wala akong maayos na videos, is to do a Christmas decor haul, then create Christmas vignette which I will later share to you. For the meantime, samahan nyo muna ako mamili at umikot sa Ikea Christmas shop. Nahirapan ako mamili kasi I like a lot of decor here kasi hindi siya yung usual na nakikita natin parati sa malls. Since makeover and home decor ang forte natin, especially for small spaces, ang dami dito na mag-fit like this tabletop Christmas tree. Here, I was mix and matching na some of the items that I like. I especially love this LED tabletop Christmas tree na perfect for homes na with limited spaces. Also love this dome village. I also like this snowball, so I was really torn between the snowball and the dome village. Other pieces that I like are this pillar candle holder in red and white and the gift boxes. There are so many beautiful and affordable choices to choose from, kaya ito kinuhanan ko lahat. Ikot muna tayo for you to see habang namimili pa din ako. one last ikot kasi shoppers are already starting to come in and baka mahaba na naman yung pila sa cashier. I'd like to share with you some pieces that I got at the Ikea Christmas shop. Ito yung mga napamili natin. Starting with this tree set wrapper in matte gold with prints. Another wrapper in gold, in glossy naman. Then, my favorite, the Strala tabletop Christmas tree. Next are the gift boxes in a set of 3. And another favorite is this Strala domed village. Next are the Christmas bowls or ornaments and the red ribbon. And this super cute wooden goat na akala ko deer. And lastly, these gift tags. As promised, we are going to create a vignette. So, style na natin most of the items that we got. So, for this year, I wanted the classic Christmas theme, which is more on the red and green, and a little touches of white and gold. I prefer this type of decor kasi madali lang siya maligpit and very limited din space natin for bigger size decor. So there you go guys, our early Christmas decor. I hope you like it as much as I love creating this for our humble small home. Wishing you all the timeless treasures of Christmas, the warmth of home, the love of family, and the company of good friends. A blessed Christmas season to everyone.